Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Disney-inspired gingerbread house. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful gingerbread house, let's first start by drawing the roof. So we're going to come right here and we're going to start with an angle going up. And say about right there, I'm going to round it off with the center of our roof, and then we're going to come down. So I'm going to just drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big, and I'll say about right here. Just kind of imagining this is coming down. Give myself a point so I know where I'm going on the other side. It just helps me see it a little bit better. There, so I have this nice picture of a roof here. So now that these two angles in, I'm going to come back to the center and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right in the center. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this as my guide. I'm going to come down with a bunch of curves coming all the way down. So this is supposed to make it look like there's snow on the roof. So let's bring it down, and about right here, let's go ahead and continue and connect. There. So same thing on the other side. So just try my best to follow the other side here. 2, 3, 4, and then one more. And then just continue it and connect. There. Okay, then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to come back in here and we're going to draw a straight line down to create our house. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this. Make sure I'm going straight, looking at my camera, and all right there, and same thing here. So if you're drawing really big and you need a ruler, definitely get one to help you draw a straighter line. Okay, there. And then from there, let's see here. Let's work on the center, the most important piece of this gingerbread house first, before we figure out how tall to make our house. So let's come back into the center area. I'm imagining a Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse shape. So I need to come down here and then some space for my ears. So I'll start about right here, right in the center. I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle, and we're drawing our bow. So draw 2 loops. So we can't have this too big, so just keep that in mind. We just kind of want it in this area right here. So now that we have our bow, I'm going to come about right here and here, and I'm just going to wobble a circle all the way around to create my mini Mickey Mouse wreath, Christmas wreath. So just a circular shape, and then we're going to come back into the center and draw a circle to complete it. And then of course we have to have the ears. So about right here, just going to wobble a bunch of curves, and once again in, and then circle right in the center as well. So same thing over here. So this is our centerpiece to make it a Disney gingerbread house, inspired gingerbread house. And once again in the center, just draw a circle. There. So now we know it's Disney, right? Then from there, before I forget, I'm going to draw a heart right in the center since I have some space right here. And I just hope this really inspires you to decorate your gingerbread house however you like. Now that we have that in, we need to draw a door right underneath. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start right underneath. I'm going to draw this curve for this dome shaped door right underneath, and I'm going to bring this down straight down. So I think we're good for our height for our house. Right, so okay, so let's go ahead and connect it all the way across. There. Am I having a wobbly house here? Make sure. I think this side needs to be a little bit lower. But hopefully you get the idea. My wobbly house right here. Then from there, let's go ahead and add some details. I'm going to add a bar right here. So I'm going to go straight down. Give it some detail, and same thing here. Go straight down. And then in this area, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a bunch of stripes to make this our candy cane. There, and so we're going to go the other way on the other side. There, and then let's see, for some more details, let's put a window in this space right here. So I'm going to come about right here, round off the corners, straight across, round off the corner, and we're going to bring it down nice and straight, hopefully. And about right there, I'm going to connect it. And we're going to put some snow on our windowsill. So right here, I'm going to bring this out, and I'm going to wobble some snow. Just go across, sometimes lower, higher, and then just connect. And so same thing on the other side. Right here. And use that as my guide and go up. So however it is easier for you to draw the other window, we're going to go across just like the other side. And down. And connect, and once again let's put in some snow. There. Okay, and then from there let's put in some details on these windows. So let's say our center, make it have some window pane. Let's go around. And one more. So same thing over here. So hopefully this will be a very fun drawing for you to draw with all these little details. And like I said, this is just meant to inspire you to come up with your own gingerbread house. So I can't wait to see your version of this. And one more. Okay, there. And then one more bigger detail that we need to draw is I'm going to give this door a little trim. So I'm just going to follow whatever I drew for the door shape. Oops. And then we're going to add a window right here on the door. So just follow your curve. And bring it down and connect. And let's see here. Let's come here towards the center and cut it off. To create some windows. So I'm getting very messy here because I'm trying to rush it. But hopefully you get the idea there. And then let's add a doorknob right there. I'll definitely need to fix all of this in the computer when I'm coloring. And almost forgot, let's add some ornaments here and there on our wreath to add some color. And here as well. There. And then you can even add maybe some these cute little gumdrops here and there, maybe some taller ones, small ones, and another one just to fill in the space. There. And I thought it'd be really cute. You can add some of these either starburst or snowflake shapes. So just draw that really quickly here and there. A smaller one. And some more here as well. There, and add some of these circles. So you can just add so much color to this house. Okay, and anything else we could add? You know what? Let's just pop in a candy cane right here. Might as well, since we're at it. And same thing, perhaps going this way. Maybe another one. I know I'm going crazy, right? Just too many things. All the possibilities, and one more. Okay, promise, that's it. I'm gonna let it go now, and hopefully this will really inspire you to draw your own Disney-inspired gingerbread house. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy following this drawing with me today, and I made it fun and easy for you. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.